In this video, let me show you how to use the Cash App prepaid debit card. So if you have not yet ordered your prepaid debit card within Cash App, in today's video, let's talk about it. Now the first thing that you need to do is, as I said, order it and activate it. In order to order it, you'll be able to see the Cash App card or the Cash App tab. This being displayed within the Cash App application, and once you tap on it, you'll be able to choose from different designs, as well as you need to select your mailing address and then verify your eligibility. So you can simply tap on continue and it will be delivered to your mailing address. Once you have received the card, you simply need to activate it by scanning the in-app QR code, or you can simply enter in the CVV manually. So once your card has been enabled, you'll be able to add funds via linked debit cards or direct deposit or using your bank accounts as well. So this is the exact way that you use the Cash App prepaid debit card. If this video did help you out, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.